Today I'm at the Dr Rasha Clinic in Knightsbridge, a beautiful new clinic, super glamorous. You can see just how fab it is. I'm going to meet Dr Rasha. I'm going to find out about her journey in aesthetic medicine and the treatments she's offering and what makes these treatments so special. Come along with me, we'll go and meet Dr Rasha upstairs. I know you're now a super elite and highly regarded aesthetic doctor, but the artistry is an extra element that you need to bring into it. How do you marry the technical capacity that you have with the artistry that you want to bring to people's faces?
I feel like it's very important to keep that balance, and always the patient's well-being is the utmost priority for me, but I always like to layer it with art. I have a very strong eye for detail. I'm very picky, and I am the same way with my patients.
Tell me about the main treatments that you do.
So we're very focused on skin. A lot of people come in for tiny little tweakments on their face because they know that me and Dr. Sara, we like the very natural approach. Small changes that keep you looking youthful but not different.
So how do you go about getting natural results for your patients? Because it's what everybody wants.
I think the key with getting natural results is knowing what products to place where and at what amounts. And always starting with less and building up as opposed to the other way around. And I really like to create a plan for my patients, talk them through it and educate them on what is out there, because I feel a lot of people just kind of make that decision for them. And I like to give my patients autonomy and really allow them to decide for themselves and they can work through the plan, and then we can start off by 1 or 2 areas and then build that up gradually. And you build that rapport with your patient and they trust you a lot more.
What are some of your favourite combinations to offer?
I've recently really been loving, and my patients have been loving, a combination of polynucleotides combined with having a little bit of baby Botox and a little bit of filler as well. Yeah. I do have quite a few patients that fly in for the full transformation, especially when they've seen it on other people that they know, because it gives you that liquid facelift. It's a very nice approach when you deal with the whole face and you can tackle all areas.
And the people we see talking about your work online are often as glamorous as you are yourself, but are you saying there's a broader spectrum of patients among
Definitely is. I'm only given permission to post 10% of the patients that come in here, but I get a lot of people that, you know, walk-ins or mothers dropping their kids off at school and they come by after hours, so it's nice.
Dare we say more normal people rather than less glamorous ones?
A lot of it is word of mouth, really.
So getting people's skin into optimum condition before they start having procedures, what are the different ways that you do that?
We like to get all our patients to have the skin scanner. We look at their skin and assess it before the patient even walks in for the consultation. Prescribe skincare, of course. There are other treatments which we offer, such as the BBL Moxie, Neogen, which is great. We've been having incredible results with that. It basically tackles pigmentation. I feel like it also rejuvenates the skin and treats the fine lines, helps with the pores a lot. So it's a very all-in-one kind of treatment, I would say. Because I feel when you improve the skin and the overall health in general, you'll need a lot less fillers.
It's not just injectables, is it?
We have a huge variety of treatments which treat the skin mainly. So we have a lot of light therapy, ultrasound, radio frequency. We have the best brands. They were very carefully handpicked. I'm very particular with what type of machines I allow into my clinic.
And it's not just you here, is it? There are a number of you offering the treatments.
Yes, there's Dr. Sara, who is also my sister, and she's incredible. People absolutely love her. Any patients I send her way never come back. She's doing everything I do, plus body treatments as well. Yeah, a lot of the vaginal fillers, the treatments for cellulites. Either myself or any one of the therapists can create a plan for the patients, which will basically help tackle their issues.
Wellness, I know, is a really important thing for you. I know that's something you're going to be bringing in at some point into the clinic, isn't it?
Yeah, because for the past 2 years, I've had a bit of a wellness journey in myself, and I've lost about 40 kilos in the span of 18 months, which, thank you, which I did with a lot of hard work, a lot of exercise, and eating proper foods. So it's just changed everything, and I feel like I've given a lot more value to wellness and looking after your health, mental health and physical health, and it just really empowers you. That's what I want to give everyone, and I have so many messages daily. How did you do it? And you really inspire us and this and that. So I feel like I owe it to everyone to give it back.
So that was a brief introduction to Dr. Rasha, her lovely clinic, and a huge variety of treatments that she has on offer here. Thank you for watching.